Hey everyone, how's it going? We're just on a little road trip, me and Rocket. Hey Rocket. We're welding up this roof rack. We finally got the welds looking good and we run out of gas, so we are down here. Not quite 6:30, not open yet, but we will update you when we've finished. Back out soon. Alright, so it's a bit noisy here, but as usual, Bunnings didn't have stock of what I wanted. TIG cups, TIG filler rod. Yeah, not surprising. Even the big Bunnings didn't have it, so now we are at, I don't know if you can see that, Rudd Industrial. Sitting out the front, done that until 7:30, so we got about a half hour break. And then hopefully we'll be on our way back home to do some welding. Alright. Check your video again in a minute. Alright, back in the workshop. New gas bottle somewhere there. See that? Yep. Alright. Time to make some test pieces up out of this stuff. See that? Just going to cut, that's all my practices, but I've got to join edges now, so reasonable at doing those things, but not too good at joining, so I'm going to cut this bit up and join it that way. Well, that was fun while it lasted. 2 batteries, 2 flat batteries on the grinder. Yeah, get back into it later. Try and do a proper video instead of these short things. Alright, catch up.